is a tricky circles question. Find the center of circle D given that circle C has equation x squared minus 6x plus y squared is equal to 16. Circle D touches circle C at exactly one point. The line joining their centers has a gradient of 1. The center of D lies in the first quadrant, and the radii of D and C are equal. Okay, let's first convert the equation of circle C into the normal form. So we're going to complete the square for the x squared minus 6 part. So I've got x minus 3 squared. This gets us x squared minus 6x plus 9. Subtract the 9 plus y squared is equal to 16. Add 9 to both sides is equal to 25. Okay, now this means that from this equation, I know that the center of C is 3, 0, and its radius is 5. Okay, because square root of 25 is 5. Now, let's draw a graph to present this. That's 3. Wait, let me do a smaller scale. Okay. And the radius is 5. Let me just do 3 right there. Now, the line joining the centers has a gradient of 1. Okay? So the line joining the centers has a gradient of 1. Let me draw this in red. We know that the center of D has to lie along the red line. However, we also know that the center of D lies in the first quadrant. So the center of D can really only lie along this red line. Okay. Now, the circle D touches the circle C at exactly one point. If the center lies along this line, there are two possibilities which the circle touches circle C at one point. We could either touch right here, like that, or we could touch all the way over here. We have a very big circle going like that. Okay. However, we know that the radiuses are the same. And if it touches this far point over here, that means the radius has to be at least the diameter of C. So this can't be it. So we know that it meets at this point right here. And we also know that the radius is also 5. So if I draw the center over there, in the circle, and let's just hit the center right here. Okay. Now, because this is 5 and this is 5, I know that the entire distance is 10, right? From here to there is 10. And because the gradient is 1, I know that this is 45 degrees. So I can use trigonometry to work out this distance and this distance, because it's a right angle triangle. Sine 45 times 10 will get us the height, and this is equal to 5 root 2. And let's find the change in the base, because 45 times 10 is also 5 root 2. So I know that this distance is 5 root 2, and this distance is also 5 root 2. Now, the total distance along the x is 3 plus 5 root 2 to get to the center of our circle D. So our x coordinate is 3 plus 5 root 2, and our y coordinate is just going to be 5 root 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you very much for watching.